got a problem with death. You've got a problem with life. You've got a problem with having problems. You've got a problem with strife. You've got a problem with noise like this. It's even undermining your brain. You've got a problem and it won't go away, 'cause it's not your job or your wife. It's a problem that you've sewn into your underwear and call it your identity. It's a problem 'cause otherwise we'd all be you, and we all know how messy that could get. You've got a problem with love. You've got a problem with hate. You've got a problem with being a problem for people just like you and me. We're undermining your brain by pretending not to see what we see. You've got the problem with the emblem of a problem. It's no wonder you're a runaway freight.